Hello, my people. On a day, I greet everybody. This is Otoshibo Mama. Welcome to my new page. Talk your problem. Advise me, I advise you. Talk show. Let me still get this page. So this page we go dey advise ourselves. If you get problem, no hide down, no keep on, talk on. Come out. Maybe people dey wey go fit give you advice wey dem will lis ten to your problem. Nobody is perfect, so now we dey do for this page. So wetin just bring me come today, I wan talk to some of our people, especially our women. Okay, even Mona, sorry I say anche because na know say Italian language go enter my mouth. So about our brothers and sisters then, especially some of our women wey dem go born for man because of say the relationship e no get head, dem go band the man may not see children. Mona, sorry I dey use one hand say dey do something. Dem no want make the man dey see the children again. Anytime wey the man call, he go tell am say no call my number again. Anytime when the man want talk to the pikin, he go tell am say you no get right. My sister, may I tell you, this message go to you. If you with man una get misunderstanding, the relationship will not go again. Not be the one wey una come use and take draw una pikin go back, because una pikin no get wetin cause for the problem. Not be cause am. Not be say more than two of una not dey again. You understand? Because when you don't dey tell man say may not see pikin, that love wey pikin get for his father, e go dey go down. E go dey go down. E no dey grow. Now it cause am you come see some children where they will grow, they no get that love for their father because it dey happen because of wetin happen where their mother no gree may father come see the children. So men still dey the woman go dey try to tell the man say come see your pikin, come see your pikin, because of say the man he don't get another woman, he no go see that pikin. He go say my pikin grow, he go look for me. Brother, you are very wrong. Not be only that one. If your pikin grow, he can't look for you. Just maybe he want me just see your face. He no want me get anything to do with you. You know good. All these things is very bad, because sometimes some children they come they reap wetin happen to their father and their mother because of say they una born them. E no good make they come they suffer am, because not be dem send una. If una two of una no dey play again, say that play don't get as e be, e don't bend, una leave una children out of it. And you man, try make you go dey meet your pikin, draw near body, let her know say you dey there for her. Not come dey talk say because of work you no fit dey see am. If you don't say you no fit dey see am, video call dey, you dey call am. The woman may you not talk say no, you no fit call my phone, sister. Not do one like that, because you know why? If the man not call your phone, which phone you go call? Especially when the pikin never reach 18 years, you know they use phone. Which phone you say me come they call? Then later now they come they blame the man, say the time when the pikin small, why you not they call am? Because of say the woman tell am say me not they call again, because really which phone you want call? Because normally na woman that they give pikin for abroad. This one na for people where they abroad now they talk to so. Because normally na woman now we both they give pikin for abroad. You now understand what I mean? So any woman where they do like that, I beg sister, no they do one again. Because you know they only they damage that man, may not see pikin. You also they destroy the relationship with your son, with your father. Now you they destroy. Because that relationship now small, when person dey small, you go they grow with that love of your father, with the love we get with your father. You go they grow, because the more the father they near in pikin, they play with am, then they joke, then they talk together, then they do everything together, e go dey grow, that love go dey grow. But once you don't tell the man say I no need you, I no still want make my pikin come dey, no, that thing. Some of our women they do am, which is very bad, sister. If you that kind person wey dey do am, change quick. Change am, because nothing say your pikin go love you for wetin you do am. Nothing say your pikin go too love you because of say you no want the father, so the father no still get right to come dey see pikin. E dey very bad though, my sisters. If una dey do am, una change am, or una just change am, because that pikin you dey damage e future between him with the father, because the love wey pikin get, the time wey dey small, with wey get for a father, wey get for a mother, e dey different, because once pikin dey grow, na so everything dey grow follow am. Because once you don block am, say make e no dey see father again, the father no dey see am again, because you block am, make e no dey see am, that love e don break. Not just feel say e go just, that love e go come put am for you, e go put the love for you, the love wey get for a father, e go come put am for you alone. E go get one thing wey go dey bother am for inside mind, wey dey feel, go say, people dey see their father, you know say this thing, people dey see their father, they run up and down, they talk to them. Me, I no get the one wey I wan talk to, because of say my mother with my father, they no dey play. Especially women, because now dem dey give children. More na no dey tell men make dem no dey see their children again. I use God take beg una. More na no dey tell men. No matter as the pregnancy take come, nobody 1 year, because sometimes some of our women they force themselves, they born for man. Sometimes it dey happen, they go force themselves, born for the man, then the man come talk say, I no need that. You know say na woman na dey decide now, say whether you go on with the pregnancy or not. So maybe the pikin come, the woman come, the woman will come say, I know they comot town, I go born am, and the man no go even care again. You know say sometimes e dey na that wetin they call am, e dey that as I take talk am, go say you betrayed me. You understand now? You know say some men go say, you betrayed me, why you can't get belle? I never need that now, I never ready now, I never do this one, I never want pikin now. So with that annoyance, that man go come leave the woman, leave the belle. I know say some women they use and say they do like that, say you will leave me with belle. Sister, may you still understand that. Try to understand, it's not easy. You will leave me with belle. Now you want to see the pikin. The pikin you not go see am. Never, no, not doing like that. May you still put yourself for the man shoe. Try to put yourself for the man shoe. Because to carry pikin, to carry all the responsibility of your own with the pikin with the e not easy. So sometimes me go the thing say, okay, me I first settle down first, me I first do this one first, so that if I born, I will know say I not can't get any problem too much again. Now make some men they do am, not because of say they just want hate you like that, leave you like that. No, because it's not easy. No, say na man, I be the head of the family. Now you go take care of this one, I go do this one, I go do that one. Once the man not come they do am, we women, we will be women, we go start to the insult and you know the shame. Why you not go do this one? You know, when you dey alone, you dey carry yourself, problem not there. But when you come dey carry family, you not come be alone. So my sisters, if you be like that, may you still try to understand that man, because that moment, wait later say I never need that now, or go come out town, or go do this one. You say, let's say I come out town that time. You for not say the pikin are your own, you for not do, no worry, forget about this, forget all these things. Make you just think say, okay, pikin don't come out, I understand you. Not be say you know what me I born for you. I understand say something ground never level like that, and I make you say you no need that. Now understand, my brothers and sisters, because sometimes we dey blame men when we say, nana I don't born, nana you want come, so nana you can't know say na your pikin. May you still try, may you understand that. Or my easy. It's not easy, it's not easy for anybody. e no easy because when man no go take care, e no go take care of your pikin. Now we men now go start to dey first dey insult am. Una go hey now because work no dey for abroad again like that as before. To pay house rent, to pay light, to pay this one, to do this one. Na man head na e dey because no when you get belle na the man na go dey do everything. You no fit go look for work, you no fit go do this one. Na only the man na go dey do everything. So sometimes some men dey like that, you go say all this problem go too much for me o. I no need am. Na me I fit look for better job before I go say okay, you know, maybe sometimes na the man dey work for bar or restaurants or any job, and the work never dey secure like that. Mona no vex. And the work never dey secure like that, or maybe never get this contract, this maybe as I take talk am, this contract wey dem dey give them, maybe na just for proof na e dey. Never get permanent contract. So and you can't get belle, so that thing go happen to am. Go get as e go be like say e shock am. E dey happen. So my sisters, na me come beg una, if you that kind person, as far as say pikin don come, that man is still be part of your life, because you with am don born, you don born for am. So men, this one go still go for men. Some men wey dey wey dem get pikin, no be say no fit go dey see the pikin o. E go dey give excuse. I never get chance, I never do this one. You know, go see that pikin till that pikin go dey, even the woman come dey even dey vex. E dey happen. E go even dey vex. So you know what, make you come see your pikin, you know what, make you come see am, and the pikin go dey grow. Brother, make you not think say if that pikin, because some men dey talk and say if the pikin grow, e go look for me. You think say if the pikin grow, wey go look for you? Now the love wey get for you the time wey dey small, na e go still get for you the time wey don big now. Wey because e no see you for a birthday, e no see you for anything, you no carry am go school, you no go pick am for school. No be the same thing o. E dey very very different. E dey different. E go come dey look you as a friend, e no dey look you as a father. All these things e dey happen because of misunderstanding, and make am dey happen. So make we una beg, if you be that kind person, try to change it, because all your mistake no be your pikin go pay for your mistake, because everything na mistake for this life. Because when you do something, you go dey think and say I don't know, but I don't make the mistake. But for you, Mona, sorry when they do something, for you not to let the mistake go worse and worse, you go try to make everything dey possibly for that pikin. Try to make am may not dey difficult for am, because of the error wey you don do. Not be your pikin go come pay for. So my brothers and sisters, many of our people like that, dem dey, all these things dey happen to them. If dey happen to them, go say no, never, you no go see the pikin again. The pikin will come grow. Even some days say pikin will come reach like maybe 10 years, he never still know him papa, he no know he be papa. You dey think say the pikin dey happy with you. This one na to the mother. The pikin no dey happy with you because now you cause am wey the man no see pikin. And then Mona wait and they come. Now you cause am wey the man no come dey see pikin, because anytime wey he call, you go say make no call your line, no call this number again. I no need you for my life. He no be say he need you, he need the pikin. Wait, make they see pikin, make for they talk to the pikin, make the love for they grow. Now make am, because not be say, you know say sometimes even say when something like this go happen, with time, the two people they'll come together again because of that pikin. They'll come together. So my brothers and sisters, all these things where they happen, we still dey cause am by ourselves, which is very bad. Maybe they think about our children, the future of our children, because not be them cause all these things, not be them say may these things happen, not be them say may it happen. So now it cause all these things. More na try to settle una issue between two of una. More than not, they put the children inside again, because if they affect them, you know say they affect am now for wey dey small. Now when you go come dey grow come out, na then you go come dey see everything wey dey happen. Even some children dey sef, you just see am say they affect am, because dem come dey call you for school say they misbehave for school. Na so fight dey fight, na so this one, there is something wrong. You understand? Especially those one when their father no dey see them in time, or maybe the man say the woman no gree make see am, or maybe the man dey talk say I never get chance to come dey see am, I never get chance, the pikin go come dey grow. My brothers and sisters, may we try to dey think about the future of our children, because no be them na it cause the problem wey we dey pass through. Na we adults, na we use our hand take dey cause am, so they no fit come dey pay for the problem wey we dey cause. So na just little advice I say me I give to our brothers and sisters. Brother, abeg, if you be that kind person, not talk say pikin if he grow now, and when he go grow, he go come see me, because most of our men they usually use this word say, when he go grow, he go look for a father. Not be so. Some children they not they look for you again. Don't finish, that door don't lock. He not go find you again, because the time when he needs you, you not there. So not be when you go come grow now, you go come say he go find you. Even though say he will find you, maybe he want just see who you be, may just see your face. Some children they like that, you go just go see father face, just look am, finish. You not go see am again, don't finish. May you still think and say the pikin where you not train for many years, where you not see for many years. Now we come be adult, you say you want see am. E get as e be. E get as e be. Leave the relationship between you with that woman. Leave that one alone. Try to fight for your rights of your child. May you make sure say you with her get good relationship. Make sure say you with her they see all the time when he need you. Because sometimes some children they when you go come grow, you go come ask you say the time where they grow come where you dey. That's why it still be for women. When some women where they abandon their children for their husband, they go just feel like say the pikin dey okay, no problem, anytime I feel go, anytime wey e grow I go see am. As e be for man, so e be for woman. As e be for man, so e be for woman. That love no dey there again. E dey look you as a friend. So my brothers and sisters, na just small one say me I just give, because I dey see many things wey dey happen. Some people when they complain, my wife or my girlfriend no dey let me dey see my children. It dey happen. Abeg, try change. They let them they see their children, because it dey very very important. Not be children with not be papa with children. The child na get problem. Two of una na be adults. So that pikin wey dey, e no get problem with any of una. Una still be father. They do still be father. That one still be mother. E 50-50. Because may you not just say may you throw away the love wey you get for your father, may pass everything to you. You dey damage am, because he still need your father. He still need am wey you go talk to, wey you go tell am wetin dey pass through, wey you go tell am say they ask me about you. They say me I know say when children dey grow now, I draw my family, all these things. He need person wey go dey talk to. As he go talk to a mama, na so he go still talk to a papa. So my brothers and sisters, just a little one now, just say me I just quick drop. Please try to follow this page, like, share with your friends, so maybe they discuss many things. If you get anything where you want to talk, just contact me, inbox me, or WhatsApp me with that number where they for that where they for my page. If you get a story where you want just to talk, no problem, we go talk am together. Then people feel see am, they still reason with you, tell you say see as I take pass my own, see wetin happen to me. We go dey talk everything, we go dey give ourselves advice. No need to dey shame, say I dey shame, or I no want make people laugh me. People will laugh you. Problem not dey, my sister. You know, e good make people laugh you, but you need opinion from people. Then go tell you. Why you don't even need for my page say may you show your face, or may you you don't need that. If maybe na audio you want just send me, I go put on say anybody will get opinion. I beg, mona try, mona help this our brother or this our sister. See what they pass through. Then so maybe they help ourselves, maybe they talk together. From there now we'll come to get our advice, opinion from people. So now be this page. So my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. Bye bye for now. See you for my next audio.